Beautiful stroke down the ground.
Pretty quickly.
Especially if he does what he just did there to Riley Merida. And smashed. That's the first time Nisa.
And that's a shot he plays beautifully. Oh, he dines out there on that.
Back to that.
He was on it that time, Shafiq. Well, that's going to untie it. That's a glorious shot down the ground.
Lovely stroke. On the up. Oh, that's a lot.
It's a one that's sent away. The feet used and the boundary found.
That is a beautiful stroke. All under lights. Perfect stroke. Cover drive. They just. Oh, wow, that's. He goes full and he's punished.
Oh, what a shot that is.
It's up in Queensland, I think.
Of course.
In a test.
Oh, it's only been taken.
There's no uncertainty about that. Last matches today. That's a good line, but it's an even better shot.